Programming has literally been trending since the 1970s, and it's been the golden ticket for decades. But with technology evolving faster than ever, maybe you've been asking yourself, is it even worth it to start now? Spoilers, it is. And we're about to show you the ultimate roadmap to a career that's a certified W, not just for today, but forever. Web development. It's the art of building digital storefronts and online experiences. You start with the fundamentals: HTML for structuring content, CSS for visual design and styling, and JSVP for adding interactivity and dynamic behavior. Once you've mastered these basics, you can specialize in a modern framework for user interfaces. React is one of the most popular, or you can just dive into full-stack development with a tool like Next.js. If your goal is to build the next viral app for smartphones, mobile development is your path. You have two primary approaches. You can choose the native route, which means building for a single platform, Swift for iOS on a Mac, or Kotlin for Android. Alternatively, you can choose the cross-platform approach with powerful tools like Flutter or React Native, which allow you to use a single code base to deploy to both iOS and Android. Despite the rise of mobile and web, desktop applications are still highly relevant. Modern tools like Tauri allow you to build lightweight, fast applications for Windows, Mac, and Linux using just basic web development skills, hardware, and IoT. This is where code meets the physical world. By using a Raspberry Pi or Arduino, you can write code that controls hardware. This is perfect for those who want to build real-world, tangible projects like smart home devices, robots, or even a jet fighter flight computer. Machine learning and AI.
AI and robotics is a supersonic tsunami.
Machine learning is one of the most in-demand fields. The best entry point is Python. Once you have a grasp of the language, you'll need to learn key libraries like pandas for data manipulation, matplotlib for visualization, and move up to frameworks like PyTorch for more advanced models. Start with learning how to train a simple AI model to recognize handwritten numbers, or build a basic chatbot using an open-source large language model LLM. If this video gave you clarity, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding content, and drop a comment below. Let me know which roadmap excites you the most.